Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to watch YouTube TV on your Roku device. If you're tired of missing out on your favorite shows or live events, this quick tutorial will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the essentials. A Roku device that's connected to your TV and the internet, and an active YouTube TV subscription. If you don't have a subscription yet, don't worry, it's easy to sign up through the YouTube TV website or app. Once you're all set, turn on your Roku and head to the home screen. Grab your remote and navigate to the search option, usually found at the top. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard. When the app appears in the search results, select it and choose Add Channel. This will download and install the app onto your Roku. It only takes a minute or two. After installation, go back to your home screen and open the YouTube TV app. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Just enter your email and password, and follow any on-screen instructions to link your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to verify that too. Once you're signed in, you're good to go. You can now browse live TV channels, on-demand content, and even record shows. Personalize your experience by adding favorites or setting up your DVR. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not loading, try restarting your Roku or checking your internet connection. It's rare, but these simple fixes usually do the trick. And there you have it. Watching YouTube TV on Roku is that easy. This setup opens up a world of entertainment right in your living room. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.